Hey truckers, on our way to Rhode Island and then Massachusetts. But as we're on the road, as you can see, it's snowing. Rob looked over and noticed that he has a crack in his windshield. Like he said, there's always something. So I see here's probably where something, a rock or something may have hit it. Now it's starting to spread. So looks like another maintenance fee. It's gonna have
that's about $250 because they only gotta do one windshield. $250. That's a good price for a truck part.
I was just gonna say that.
So I mean, they usually install it in about 10 minutes if that. So hopefully we can make it up to Massachusetts. If it doesn't grow anymore, if it spreads a little more than that, then we'll probably have to get it fixed while we're up there at the hotel. And if it doesn't, we'll get it fixed as soon as we get back. I know that we at least know the price here, as opposed to knowing how much we're going to pay up there.
Yeah, because when you're out of town, they see the out of towners coming, I tell you. Rob, when he first started, not the business, but when Rob first started driving, as soon as he got on the road, what happens? Truck breaks down, side of the road. He has to call a tow truck, $1,400 just to get it towed to the nearest shop, the nearest truck shop, which was in Jersey. And for the same price, or for the same service, I should say, you gotta see what's going on up here. There's a lot going on right now, as you can see. But for the same service that he could have got back home in Harrisburg, PA, he paid about $2,800. About $2,800 for that service?
Yeah. $2,800 on top of towing.
On top of the part. So it was $2,800 for the service, the labor, and then he had to pay about $1,000 for the part, and then $1,400 for towing. It's like, wow. We probably would have paid half of that if we were at home. But that's the business, right? So hopefully we can go ahead and get this fixed when we get back home. Yeah, just wanted to let you guys see little minor things and some major things that happens. That's why you always got to keep that maintenance fund, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we always got to keep it. Got to keep the truck running.
Yeah. If the truck's not running, no money's being made. We're back the next day. We're on the way to our first drop. Remember, pointed this crack out yesterday on our way to Massachusetts. And it doesn't look like it got any bigger, so with God, we'll get back to PA and we'll be able to get that fixed. So that's the update on that crack. Still the same.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, getting the we got Capital Auto Glass over here, and they're pretty quick. They knock it out in about 10-15 minutes of that. But yeah, to get that crack fixed, I'm gonna run around like that. That's a violation. Tune in.
Looks like you noticed from the last video, we spoke about the windshield being cracked. That's now repaired. So we're driving safely. We gotta make sure to get all repairs as necessary. drop is 7:39.